If you've been trying to justify text in CapCut, you're not alone. CapCut does not actually have a true justify text tool on desktop. So in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest workaround to make your text look much cleaner and more evenly aligned. This is perfect for captions, title cards, lower thirds, or any text where you want that professional justified look without spending forever adjusting spaces manually. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to copy the script or raw text that you want to justify. Go ahead and select your text, then copy it to your clipboard. This step matters because we're going to use an online text justifier to create a spaced out version of the text before bringing it into CapCut. Next, open an online tool like Justify Text Online in your browser. Once the page loads, paste your raw text into the input box. After that, look for the setting that says Match Longest Line. This option helps the tool distribute spacing more evenly so the text block looks aligned across multiple lines. Now click Generate, and the tool will create a raw spaced text block for you. Copy that newly generated text exactly as it appears. Now let's move into CapCut. Open your project in CapCut PC and add a default text clip to your timeline. Click into the text box and paste the spaced text you just copied. At this point, the text may still not look perfect, so here's the important fix. Select the text clip on your timeline, then go to the text panel in the upper right corner. Under the Basic tab, open the font drop-down menu and change the font to Consolas, or any other Monospace font if Consolas isn't available. This is the key step, because a Monospace font makes every character take up the same width, which helps preserve the spacing structure we created online. Once that's done, click the left align icon. Even though this might sound counterintuitive, left alignment helps lock the text into more uniform line lengths and gives you that justified look without CapCut having a true justify button. Now take a look at your result. Your text should appear much cleaner, more balanced, and easier to read. If needed, you can tweak the text box size a little to fine-tune the layout and make the spacing look even better on your screen. And that's it. Now you know how to justify text in CapCut on desktop using a simple workaround. It's fast, it's free, and once you do it a couple of times, it becomes a super easy part of your editing workflow. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.